got a driveway here. It's going to be dimensional driveway, which we're going to have these slats here. We're going to put astroturf in between, so it's going to dry, and we're going to put astroturf in between. That's it. So we're going to let it dry for a few days. Well, I'm probably going to let it dry for more than a few days. This is going to come up, and it's going to be astroturf that's coming all the way down. So we kind of like got the same size going all the way down to the sidewalk. Guys doing a great job as usual. This is when you know the project is coming to an end. So we're good. That's your guard dog. Try to do that font. Driveway is coming. I didn't want to give it a normal driveway, a regular driveway. I want to put some kind of architectural feature in it. And yeah, it was my idea to do this. So we're going to see how it turns out. Got the finishers here. Making sure everything goes good. Concrete needs to go on the top, to the top of this board right here. Get underneath it real good. So when we lift this up, it's going to have like an indentation. So that indentation is going to be filled up with astroturf. You'll see that going in, but we're going to do that last. Once I put all the landscaping in, irrigation in, and all that, we'll do that to that point. Getting it, Tom? My man. Yeah, we can sloping that down wherever it's going. Yeah, we're coming from here and then high point. Yeah, we'll need a little bump in here. You good? I'm going by that line. Okay, that is it. Okay. All right, perfect. Okay. How much you got in here? If you could tell me, then tell me the lottery numbers too. Yeah, I know. Probably like 2 or 3. Yeah, we go by this. Yeah, that's the valley.
No problem. I get a long stick and put on this.
Okay.